Hello my friends, welcome back to another new video. So I am talking a little bit low and I'm sorry if it's really echoey. I'm not sure if people can still hear me, but as you guys can see, we're gonna go plant shopping to Ikea. It is my first time going to Ikea. I mean my second time because it's really far and there's only one in the San Antonio area. But so we're gonna go and see what they have in stock, and then after we're finished going plant shopping, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour on what I got in furniture wise and small little things that I got from Ikea. So with any further ado, let's go plant shopping or Ikea shopping. So pretty. $14.99. These are $9.99. Look, these are $10. So cute. Vermilions. Look at this purple one. You see it? Look at these little Jansinas. Little snake plant. More Jansinas. Go put it again. They got some palms. Ooh, some Severias. Hey, pardon, Anthuriums. Cute little Anthuriums. Palms. Oh my god, little cheese. Look at these. Hello, tengo. So cute. Oh my god, look at this, Israel. Are these really fair? Oh no. Oh, they're so thick. Aloes. More. Little ponytail palm. Look at these cute little, I don't know what do you call them? Oh my god, it's cute bromeliad. I know, aloe, succulents, $3.99. More aloes. This is so cute. Look at these cactuses. $4.99 for some pots. Look at this. Isn't this cute? A little set. There's so many cactuses and succulents. This is actually really cute. You see? Excuse me? They got more, but I got, oh my god. Little overview. Look, these are cute. I want to say that almost. Oh, look at this bromeliad. I mean, not bromeliad. Bonsai. Like this. It's a bonsai. It's like a peace lily. Yeah, it is. Golden photos. So cute. Oh my god, this is so sad. Argentina. We have some more pots. Fake orchids. Alrighty guys, so now let's start with the haul. I know everything looks the same. I literally just filmed the intro and I'm just filming this right now. But first thing first, I want to show you. I'll show you guys the furniture in a bit. We ended up spending $320. But we went half and half, my boyfriend and I. And then yesterday we went to Walmart and we ended up spending almost $300 as well on like things that we needed, like for the restroom. Just like small things like from food, like a little bit of groceries, enough to like last us for like a week, and a lot of other stuff. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got for Ikea. So the first thing first I want to show you is this really beautiful, just cool candles. They smell really good. Honestly, I love candles so much. Like they really do change the vibe in like a home. And these are called, I really don't know what they're called. It's, and the words I know from Ikea is like a different like language. I think it's Dutch. I'm gonna sound so dumb. I don't really know what it's called, but it's like not English. So Yeah. It smells really, really good. And I'm excited to like lay these on because I know my friend is gonna come over to see the units and I want it to smell really, really good. So this is just gonna set the mood. It just smells so fresh, fruity, but like summery. Like I'm literally craving. I'm really missing summer. So yeah, I got, oh, they were also like $1 something, really affordable and cheap. But they're getting two. I should have got more, but I wasn't really sure if they like, you know, their work or like they're really, really good. But if these turn out working great, so then I'm gonna buy like a bunch next time when I go. My boyfriend made me a promise. I'm gonna go every single 2 months to Ikea and see what they have. Cause I literally love Ikea. Like they really have like my aesthetics of like white, airy, natural bamboo. It's great. Next thing is, I know I'm using like a Walmart bag. It's because like we didn't end up getting a bag and I had to put all this like in, because all these stuff were in the car, like I spread it around and needed to get something, you know, to put it on there. But I ended up getting these cute little fake plants. Now I know some people hate fake plants. I'm like in the middle of it. Like I'm not really into fake plants, but there's like a spot that I want to add some like, you know, some green and some life. Well, this is fake life. This is a little artificial, but it's just fake. It's a fake plant. I want to put this in the restroom. There is no lights in the restroom, and yes, I can put like a snake plant or golden pothos, but I don't want it to suffer. Just because it's low light doesn't mean it can tolerate no sun at all. All plants need sun to photosynthesize or some sort of light. So they're getting these two for our double sink for the guest restroom. These are really, really cute. I love how they look. I should have got like little containers, but I'm probably gonna buy some from Dollar Tree. But super cute. And they were like 5 something, I believe. Doesn't even show the price. It was like $5, like $5.49, something like that. But cute. Next, I got these vases. I literally forgot how much they costed. I just got it because I was like, oh my god, I need it. So this is going to be for the rice and the beans. They're really, really big. I was gonna use it for the cereal, but my boyfriend said it's not big enough, so we're just gonna use this for the rice and the beans. It's really, really cute. I love it. It's good quality, and I think it was affordable. I think it was like 5 something. I'm not so sure, but it's great. And just to show you, I ended up getting a different size as well. So show you the comparison. This will be for our brown sugar, well, sugar in general. And yeah, it's gonna look super cute. And then the other tall one on the side. Oh my god, I love this. I also want to buy 3 more of these and put it like over here in the island. I don't know if it's called an island. And put like some fake candy in there. I'll put real candy, but I've done that before, and I always snack on them, or they just them to like run out. And it's just, I don't know, and I'm trying to be healthy, so I'm gonna put like fake candy so nobody eats them. It's just for the aesthetics. But yeah, I think this is a small little item that I ended up getting. It's just a basic thing to like scrub the toilets. Not that exciting, but I think it was like $1 something. So pretty affordable. And alrighty, so now I'm gonna like take off, well, pick up the camera and show you guys the items individually on what I ended up getting. So let me do that right now. And as you guys can see, sorry about the mess. Like I said, we just bought a bunch of stuff. I bought these really, really cute plates from Walmart, and I'm probably gonna buy another set because I'm really, really into it. And that's our rice cooker that I bought. We bought some taco cabana last night because we got really, really hungry. I'm gonna show you the plates because they're so freaking cute. Let me turn on the lights. Okay, we're on the 3rd floor, and we had a lot of like bags to like bring up and like furniture. We're not even like ready yet. We also gotta find a way to like bring up our dryer, and we're gonna buy our washer. And the good thing about buying a washer like from Best Buy, they pick it up for you. Here's the plates. They're super, super cute. And I know my friend is gonna make fun of me because like, yes, it's from Better Homes. We love Better Homes. They're like literally affordable. Well, Better Homes and Gardens. I just love the way it looks. It looks so different and like unique. Like I love it. And my family's gonna talk crap saying like it looks weird and like not okay, but I don't care. I like it. It makes me happy, and I just love the way they look. Like look at that. It just looks so unique. Sorry about the joke. My boyfriend's like literally building his new furniture that he got from Walmart. We got some McDonald's this morning because we got hungry. And we're not gonna eat a lot of fast food all the time, you guys. Like, you know, we're gonna, you know, I'm a cook, but right now we have a lot of things to do, so we're just buying food. Let me show you the mugs. Isn't this so cute? My boyfriend said it looks like hearts, so I want to buy, like I said, another set, so it's gonna be 4 more cups. But I love these a lot. They're super, super great. And if you guys want to see a house apartment tour, y'all let me know. The blender, our lemon squeezer / orange squeezer, waffle machine. I had to buy new Oyas because the other ones I left at my mom's house, and a rice cooker, which I'm really excited to use because I love eating rice, but I'm really bad at making it. and some other stuff over here. But yeah. So this is our new dining table. It is, I think it's like a bar stool table, but I like it because it's like, it's really, really tall. I'm trying to find the barcode. Here it is. You guys want to search it up online to see it, but it's like white and it's wood, which is the aesthetic that I'm trying to go for. I want it to be, like I said, very bright and airy and natural. So like the natural is going to be like the warm tones, like wood and bamboo, and the air is going to be like really like with the whites and reflect a lot of light. It's going to make it look really just aesthetically pleasing, and the green is going to give it like, you know, some more greenery, some life in this apartment. So I'm probably gonna put my big monstera somewhere over here. I need to buy a new sofa again because the one that I have, sorry, I'm trying to fix the thing that I'm holding on the phone on. But I'm gonna put a couple plants over here because the lighting is pretty good. These are south facing windows, and this is an east, so when the sun rises we get a lot of light, and then throughout the day I get this type of light. But a majority of this entire room is going to be about plants. Somebody ended up telling me that I might get mold, but I'm gonna have this fan on 24/7, and I'm also gonna put another fan on 24/7 as well. And I will have these windows open like every other day to get some fresh air. But yeah, I'm really excited to fill this up. It's gonna be full of plants, and over here is just gonna be like a couple plants, not a lot. And yeah, also I got these really cute tables. I really wanted these tables because the ones that I had were from Walmart, and they're like gray, the same, like, you know, like the same size, but this is white. And like I said, I really want to like make it aesthetically pleasing when people walk in, and this is gonna look so good. So I got 4 of these. I'm gonna put 2 in the master bedroom right next to the bed, and we had to sleep on the floor because we couldn't bring our mattress until tonight. My mom's gonna help me out. So we're gonna put the bed right there. We're gonna put the 2 tables next to it. I know these are coffee tables, or I don't know what you call these side tables, but I'm still gonna use it as that. And then I'm gonna put the other 2 in the living room because like we're next to the sofa. So that's gonna be great. And this is something that my boyfriend ended up getting. It's, I think, oh, it's a chair. So it's pretty cool. And that's the code if you guys wanna go and search it up. But that's literally it, you guys. Later on, we're gonna go to the stores again and get some more things that I missed, like shower curtains. I literally forgot to get shower curtains. I only got bleach, but I need more cleaning supplies and some more microfiber cloth. And tonight I'm gonna need to like buy Wingstop for everybody because I'm gonna need the entire family to help me out, bring all of my plants because it's 250 and this is a plane. That's, the airport is literally over there. It is like, you can barely hear it, but there is jets also because the military is also like super close by. And like the base, I don't know what you call it, but that's where all the jets and their stuff goes para allá. And oh my god, those are really, really loud. The planes are not that loud, surprisingly. But it's all good though. And I'm just surprised because in my other apartment, if you guys remember, there was a building in front of my room, and we only had 1 bedroom, and it was like one window, and it was blocked up by a building, so we never really got light. And the living room, the only source of light that we had was from our patio. Yeah, it wasn't that great. I think it's called a balcony. Yeah, I'm gonna search up those terms because I really keep getting myself confused. But I'm really, really excited. I cannot wait to furnish this entire place. I do want to fill it up with plants. I'm also gonna buy an orchid for the guest restroom. Let me just show you what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna buy some fake plants on top, like I said, to give it some life. So let's go to the restroom. Add these over there. Let me open. So here is the guest restroom slash bathroom. I don't even know. Like, this is where people wash their hands, but in this other door is like the toilet and the shower. Like, this is what I was thinking. Over here, maybe, I don't know, something like that. And then put a beautiful orchid in the middle, a fake one, of course, because there is no like, hello mirror. But I am so excited. I know I am so basic, but I'm really into this, trying to make it even, because for some reason I'm crazy like that. And then that orchid on top. I might go to Marshall to get the orchid. So we just finished setting up the dining table. I'm literally obsessed with it. I just love how tall it is. Like, I really, really like tall tables. I know it's like so like dumb and like something small, but it's the small things for me. And here's all the mess with the box. And then these are the small tables that I gotta set up right now. My boyfriend's setting up his gaming tables, and I'm gonna set up these tables. But yeah, I'm just loving the way it's turning out. Oh my god. And then with this lights, adorable. Look at all this natural lighting coming through. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. And consider that this is a south facing window or side as well. I am thinking of putting some plants over here, like a vegetable garden, because it does get a lot of light, enough to like grow vegetables. So I'm probably gonna grow my own herbs. That's so exciting. I'm like really like shaking, or some flowers and herbs. That's gonna be so much fun. I love it. And I literally forgot that we have a storage room. Completely forgot about that. Ooh, just hit that. But I just love it. Oh my god. I'm probably gonna go to Walmart and get some more stuff like furniture, because I don't have a sofa yet. But I'm loving the way it looks.